को अपने पर्सनल लाइफ से रिलेट करती हैं, तो क्या ये पर्सनल लाइफ से रिलेटेड किरदार है इस तरह का? आप पर्सनल लाइफ में भी ऐसी हैं?
ऑन मैनी लेवल्स। जैसे कोई ना कोई किरदार में कुछ ना कुछ तो आपको आइडेंटिफाई करके यू हैव टू लैंड दैट पार्ट ऑफ योर पर्सनालिटी टू योर कैरेक्टर। सो आई थिंक प्रफुल्ल की ये जो बात है कि वो चाहे किसी भी जगह को बिलोंग करे, लेकिन शी वॉन्ट्स टू मेक हर ओन प्लेस in that you know I call my life pursuit of magic, but the only difference is that I realized magic like one instance, like say one audition that I cleared in Gangster, but Praful never did. So that is the only difference probably. Otherwise I don't see any difference in the journey. She makes equal, amount of effort. She has the same spirit, same ambition, but somehow like just like she never had that stroke of luck. So for me it was a nice alternate life that I could have had if not this. So it's been quite enlightening, must say.
Hey Kangana
हंसल जी, आपसे सवाल है कि क्या आप जब स्क्रिप्ट आई आपके पास या आप स्क्रिप्ट बना रहे थे, तो क्या कंगना ही दिमाग में थी कि इस रोल को कंगना ही करेंगी?
स्क्रिप्ट से पहले कंगना ही थी। मैं मतलब 2014 से परस्यू कर रहा हूँ कंगना जी को, और मैंने बहुत सारी कहानियाँ सुनाई। तो वो एक होता है, डेस्टिनी की बात होती है कि ये किरदार, ये फिल्म उस वक्त होनी थी। संजोग की बात है कि हमने फाइनली यही सिलेक्ट की स्क्रिप्ट। कंगना को ये किरदार पसंद आया, हमने यही फिल्म बनाई। तो लेकिन मैं सालों से, मैं एक्चुअली मैंने एक बार बताया भी था कंगना जी को कि बहुत साल पहले मैंने उनको ऑफिस बुलाया था एक स्क्रिप्ट के नरेशन के लिए, बहुत अर्ली डेज में। तो
जस्ट गैंगस्टर के
जस्ट बाद मैंने बुलाया था, और मैंने बड़े कॉन्फिडेंस से नरेशन दिया था कि ये तो हाँ ही कर देगी। बाकी कोई मुझे वैसे भी हाँ नहीं कहता था, तो बोले ये हाँ कह रही है।
मुझे कहा कि ये तो कर ही लेगी, इसको ना इंग्लिश आती है, ये पहाड़ी है एकदम, वहाँ हाँ
मना कर दिया मेरी फिल्म को।
ये मुझे बिल्कुल ये इंसिडेंस याद नहीं है, लेकिन ये जिन लोगों के साथ मैं गई थी वहाँ पे, आई थिंक भूपी जी मैनेजर थे, तो तब मुझे लगा कि सच बोल रहे हैं। नहीं, पहले मुझे लगा कि झूठ कह रहे हैं, लेकिन इनका कहना है कि ये मुझसे, इनकी ईगो काफ़ी हर्ट हो गई थी। तो ये मेरी ज़िंदगी की कहानी है, चाहे मुझे याद हो चाहे नहीं, लेकिन ईगो में ज़रूर हर्ट करती हूँ।
Hey Kangana ji, this is me Anurag here,
Hi,
Music
Anurag.
India. I want to ask you, could you share an anecdote? ये शूट के दौरान आपको कुछ डिफिकल्टी फेस हुई, या फिर ड्यूरिंग द शूट were there hitches that you came across, and how did you go about managing in your acting, be it on the set or be it when in United States?
Well, वैसे actually I have to tell you that this has been by far the easiest film that I've shot in terms of the costumes, locations. They were very easy. Rarely you get films where you don't have physical challenges. But something very weird happened with me, which is actually not funny at all. But I was driving on American highway with this, extraordinary speed. Like how you have these 3-4 lane highways, and my driver on the wheel, he passed out. He just passed out, and of course, we had that little moment where I thought, should I text my parents that, last goodbye and this and that? But then he banged into sidewalk and we were taken to hospitals and all of that. But if I want to put this in any script, that a driver can just pass off like that, and just when he banged the car, he woke up. Like, where are we? We are still alive. So that was quite funny, and I think it took me a lot of time to recover from that trauma. Like, even still, when I think of it and I tell anyone, people are like, well, that's hard to believe, but I have my witnesses. They've seen the car also, and they've seen the accident.
Car flew from the final lane to the first lane. It went flying. It was going at 80 miles per hour.
And I had a little bit head injury, but this is quite, surreal for anyone's driver to, pass out on the wheel like that.
I wonder if there have been any calls from the aviation ministry as yet with the name of your protagonist. Anybody?
Hi, Kangana.
Yes.
Kangana here, right in front of you. Here.
Here is a great location, right there in the middle.
Okay.
Yes, right.
Sorry, I'm Vanchika from The Quint, and first of all, congratulations for the trailer. it is just amazing.
Thank you.
And yeah, so I wanted to ask that how easy was it to pick up?
Many degrees actually, because like I said, I've never sort of, you know, and Hansal sir doesn't have Gujarati accent. My friends that I meet who are from Gujarat, so I could not identify it because it's not the most obvious accent. And I have my tutor Suraj. He will teach me, and I go to the set and Hansal, this is too much. Bring it down. And then I bring it down, and Suraj is like, you can hardly hear it. Then bring it up. So I was confused, and I couldn't take a call because, you know, usually I would be in a place to tell that, hey, this is what I want to do. But in this case, I couldn't. So I was constantly conflicted. Even now, I asked Hansal sir, was that okay? He's like, yeah, this is fine. And he and Suraj are constantly fighting. He thinks that we don't want to make it a very, you know, caricaturish, and Suraj obviously chooses to differ.
So I think, you know, the representation of communities, whether it's Gujaratis, we tend to caricaturize it. You know, every Gujarati doesn't say, "Yari came show, kya gaya tha." They don't talk like that. You know.
हंसल सर, आपने कंप्लीट कर लिया हो इधर आपकी राइट में थोड़ा सा।
Same row on the right, yeah.
हाँ जी।
तो जैसा अभी आपने कहा कि हर गुजराती इस तरह से नहीं बात करता, बट इंडस्ट्री में जैसे भी अगर कोई फिल्म बनती है उसमें इस तरह का स्टीरियोटाइप बहुत स्टैब्लिश किया जाता है। जैसे अगर गुजराती है तो एक्सेंट आएगा, पंजाबी है तो वो लाउड होगी, वो लड़की चिल्ला चिल्ला के बोलेगी, से अगर बिहार से है तो वो फिर वो
नहीं भाई,
अंग्रेजी नहीं जानेगा।
इसीलिए तो ये फिल्म कंगना जी ने की है और मैंने बनाई है, ताकि ये इन स्टीरियोटाइप को तोड़ सके।
Touche.
एंड कंगना, इस फिल्म में आप एक्टर के अलावा आपने डायलॉग राइटिंग का भी एक रोल निभाया है, वो क्यों फैसला किया, वो किस तरीके से वो जर्नी एक आपकी जुड़ी?
कुछ फिल्में जो जिनमें आप यू नो देयर आर फिल्म्स जो कि प्लॉट ड्रिवन होती हैं, देयर आर फिल्म्स दैट आर कैरेक्टर ड्रिवन। जब आपकी एक सिंगल कैरेक्टर की जर्नी होती है, देयर you know, more than plots or more than lines, what matters is what is the psyche of the character. And I think in such roles, actors can, not in a very deliberate way, but in a more organic way, they can, you know, construct lines which are more character friendly, क्योंकि वो ही character में, you know, उनको निभा रहे हैं. So in that aspect, I'd always told Hansal sir कि I will write my own lines for these. So these are, so yeah, so just to have a very fluid journey.
मूल राइटर जो हैं मूवी के, उन्होंने आपत्ति उठाई जिस क्रेडिट को लेकर के, आप दोनों सवाल इस पर जो आप।
Well, to be honest, you know, now that we are here, all of us here, I would like to clarify one thing, that, you know, there is a lot of misconceptions about that whole thing that took place. First of all, I would like to clarify that there are no dues pending. Somehow it's made to look like that someone's not, like, Apurva has not been given his due, whereas we have done exactly what he asked for. And even we fail to understand. He's the one who suggested that I take additional credit dialogue, and all the documents and contracts are signed that way. Hansal sir can tell you, or Salesh, or whoever is the part of the film. And post that, also, he and I worked on the schedule together. He came to my house, and we all worked for another schedule. And after many months, he decided to write this note just when Rangoon flopped and 2-3 people attacked me, which I thought was in a very bad taste and was very planned and extremely deliberate. But if, like I always said, if there is anything that we can do in this matter, we would love to, but there is literally nothing. You know, he's the writer. He's got all the credit he wanted. And whatever we have done is keeping his consent in mind. In fact, like I said, he's the one who suggested. And that's how it is. This is where we stand today. Yeah.
There's a question here. Can we hand him a mic, please? Thank you. Ulta. Thank you.
नमस्कार कंगना।
Namaskar.
ये माइक उल्टा हो गया था, वैसे ही जैसे आप बने बनाए नियमों को नहीं मानती हैं, ऐसा हो जाया करता है कई बार।
All right.
हर बार जब आप एक नया नियम बनाती हैं और पुरानी परंपराओं को ध्वस्त करती हैं, तो लोग पहले ऐसे ही हंसते हैं, जैसे इस माइक के उल्टे होने पर हंसा गया। आपको क्या लगता है, इससे कितनी मुश्किल आती है, इस बगावती तेवर से, जो हम आपको देखते हैं कि आप अक्सर ईगो हर्ट करती हैं, जैसा कि आप खुद एडमिट करती हैं। और जब हम आपका नाम शाहरुख और अमिताभ बच्चन की परंपरा में अगला नाम जोड़ते हैं कि ये नई नायक